assessment asks us to predict the product of this reaction with the correct stereochemistry. The traditional way we show the Diels-Alder reaction is with the diene approaching the dienophile from the top, where the diene is on top and the dienophile is on bottom. When that happens, the inner substituents of the diene get rotated up onto wedges. Therefore, our product of this reaction will be a cyclohexene with the oxygen as a bridging atom on wedges. The other way we could show this product is like this. These two molecules are identical, just different perspective drawings of each other. This one molecule is the product of this Diels-Alder reaction, and this molecule is a meso molecule. It has two stereocenters and a plane of symmetry that makes it achiral and a meso molecule. This one product is the product of this particular Diels-Alder reaction.